Hello everyone, this is Mr. Selmane. معكم الأستاذ سلمان. Welcome to our English lesson for beginners. Today, we have a beautiful picture to help us learn some new words. This is a picture. It's a picture. This is a picture. Yes, a picture. Repeat, picture, picture. Look, what do you see here? Yes, good. I see a girl. A girl. This is a girl. She is a girl. Can you say girl? Girl. Yes, good. The girl is sitting on a chair. The girl is sitting on a chair. This is a chair. It's a chair. Yes, a chair. It's a chair. Very good. It's a chair. This is a chair. The girl is sitting on a chair. She is sitting on a chair. The girl, she. Look at here. A desk or a table. What is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? She is writing. She is writing. The girl is writing. She is writing on a notebook. Write. Write in my notebook. Write in my notebook. The girl is writing in a notebook. A notebook. A notebook. It's a notebook. The girl is writing in a notebook. She is writing in a notebook. She is writing in a notebook. She, the girl, she. Okay, she. This is a book, a book, a notebook, a book, a book. She has a pen. She has a pen. It's a pen. This is a pen. Look, a pen. The girl has a pen. She has a pen. The girl, she has a pen. The girl has a pen. She is happy. Look, she is smiling. She is smiling. So, she is happy. She says, the girl says, I love to write stories. The girl says, I love to write stories. The girl says, I. She says, I love to write stories. Do you like to write stories? You, do you write? Do you like to write stories? Good. I like to write stories. I love to write stories. We love to write stories. Write. Write. Here it says, write in my notebook. Write in my notebook. A notebook. A notebook. Notebook. My notebook. my notebook. Write in my notebook. Write your ideas. We can write our ideas. Ideas. I have an idea. Idea. One idea. Many ideas. When we have ideas, we can write our ideas. We can write with my pen. Write with my pen. I use pen to write. It's a pen. This is a pen. We can write with my pen. Let's write together. Pen, it's a pen. This is a book. A book. Say book. Book. Another pen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pens. 4 pens. 1 pen. 2 pens. 3 pens. 4 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pens. Many pens. Okay? 1 pen, a pen. Pens. Look. This cute cat. Meow. Meow. It's a cat. Yes, a cat. A cute cat. This is a cat. So, what did you learn today? We learned about many words. A girl, a girl, a chair, a chair, a notebook, a pen, and the word right, right. Let's say the words one more time. Let's say the words one more time. A girl, a chair, a notebook, a pen. Right. Great job, everyone. Practice these words, and we will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.